In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notifications on Facebook Messenger. If you're looking to keep your focus without missing what matters, you have a couple of straightforward options in Messenger, whether you're on a computer or using the mobile app. Let's start on the web. Open Messenger.com or open Messenger inside Facebook. From there, you can mute notifications for individual chats, so you quiet just the conversations that are distracting you. Open the conversation you want to silence, click the three dots icon in the chat window, and then click Mute Notifications. This is perfect when a busy group chat is blowing up, or when you need uninterrupted time but still want other messages to come through as usual. If you change your mind later, simply return to the same spot to unmute. Now, if you're on your phone, launch the Messenger app. Tap your profile picture to get to your settings, then go to Preferences and choose Notifications. This is your central hub for how Messenger alerts you. Here, you can turn notifications on or off. Turning them off is helpful when you want a clean break from alerts, like during a meeting or while studying. Keep in mind that even with notifications off, your messages will still arrive. You just won't be pinged until you turn them back on. A couple of quick tips will help you tailor things even more. First, consider muting only certain people or groups instead of turning off all notifications. That way, you keep important alerts active while quieting the conversations that can wait. It's a simple way to strike the right balance between staying connected and staying focused. Second, turn off previews if you want privacy on the lock screen. Previews show a snippet of the message when a notification pops up, which can be distracting or revealing. In the Notifications area, look for the option to control message previews and turn it off. With previews disabled, you'll still see that a message has arrived, but the content won't display until you open the app. To recap, on desktop or in Facebook, use the three dots inside any chat to mute that specific conversation. On mobile, tap your profile picture, head to Preferences, then Notifications, and use the main toggle to turn alerts on or off. And remember those tips. Mute selectively for better control, and disable previews to keep messages private at a glance. That's it. Simple, flexible, and tailored to your day. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused Messenger experience.